Hey everyone, it's ClickHelp. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete your ChatGPT account permanently. But before we start, know that this cannot be undone. First, log into your ChatGPT account, click your profile icon in the right top corner, then click Settings. Next, go to the Account tab in the left sidebar under Delete Account, click the red Delete button. But before this, here is security check. You can only delete your account if you've logged in within the last 10 minutes. If it's been longer, you'll need to log out and log in back before continuing. Once you click delete, a confirmation screen will pop up. To unlock the permanently delete my account button, you need to type your account email and the word delete in all caps into the input fields. Once you click delete, after you type them in, a button will become clickable. Hit permanently delete my account and you are done. Now a few important things to know. If you subscribe through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, deleting your OpenAI account does not cancel your mobile subscription automatically. You must cancel it separately in the App Store or Play Store to stop future charges. Also, your data will be fully deleted within 30 days, but you won't be able to create a new account using the same email until after that 30-day period ends. And any active ChatGPT Plus subscription link to your account will cancel automatically when you delete it. If you are on mobile, iOS or Android, the process is similar. Open the app, tap your profile icon, go to data controls, then tap delete account. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.